Hi there, stock traders and investors. Today is April 8, 2020. Welcome to our EquiTalks series. We are already on our EquiTalks episode number 132. This is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. In our 132nd episode, we're going to talk about my analysis with recommendations for Megaworld Corporation with a stock code of MEG. Is it more likely to break above 2.8? Is MEG more likely to break above 2.8? I will let you know about my insights that is based on my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. That's the online stock market course that we have here at Equilyst Analytics. Now, today, Megaworld closed at 2.72 pesos per share. It went up by 1.12%. The total turnover value reached almost 114.17 million pesos. Unsurprisingly, foreign fundies were the main drivers today. And they are also net buyers today with the net foreign buying worth almost 31 million pesos. However, they are net sellers year to date, and there's something it's useful, it's helpful to monitor foreign funds participation in Megaworld because they have a significant participation in this stock, relatively speaking. Now let's take a look at the chart of Megaworld first to identify its immediate support and resistance level. The immediate support is at 2 pesos per share. Resistance is near 2.8 with a historical volatility score of 49.3%. I would say that it still has a low risk level, but it's about to cross the moderate risk territory once it touches the 60% historical volatility score. Okay? Now, do I see a buy signal confirmation on Megaworld as of today's closing on April 8th? Here at Equilyst Analytics, we have a buy signal confirmation for any stock if its 10 MACD and momentum power indicator are both bullish. The question now is MEG's 10 MACD bullish? Yes, it is. Why? The last price is trading above the 10 SMA and MACD is trading above the signal line. How about the momentum power indicator of Megaworld? Is it also bullish? Well, all four elements of the momentum power indicator of the stock must be bullish for its entire momentum power indicator to get a bullish rating as well. So let's dissect it. According to my trade and volume distribution analysis for Megaworld, MEG has a VWAP or a volume weighted average price of 2.66. That's lower than the last price of 2.72, so that's still fine. The dominant range is at 2.72 as well, which is the intraday high itself. Now, the last volume bar is green and it is higher than the 50% of the stock's 10-day volume average. So all in all four elements of Megaworld are bullish. Therefore, its entire momentum power indicator is also bullish. So, your guess is as good as mine. There's a buy signal confirmation for Megaworld as of April 8, 2020. The true market sentiment is neutral on the other hand, and that can have an effect on your decision. So, let's talk about my recommendation. If you have Megaworld in your portfolio, and if your trailing stop is still intact, I would suggest that two things. Number one, if you are a low risk investor, I would suggest that you hold your position and don't top up yet because of that neutral true market sentiment despite the presence of a confirmed buy signal. But since you are again a low risk investor, I would recommend that you hold your position. Now, if you are a high risk investor, you may top up within the dominant range, which is at 2.72. Again, if you are a high risk investor, the 10 MACD and momentum power indicator are both bullish, so there's a buy signal confirmation for you that fits your risk tolerance. All right. Now, if you don't have Megaworld, same piece of advice. Follow my recommendation according to your risk tolerance or risk level or risk appetite, whatever synonym it could get. All right. So that's it. I hope that's something that you can apply to your investment decisions if you are interested in trading this particular stock or investing in this particular stock. Okay. Now, a while back, I was talking about our online stock market course, which is one of the inclusions of our stock market subscription service. Let me give you a brief idea about our stock market subscription service. To learn more about this, visit equilyst.com, equilyst.com/subscribe. Now, on this page, you will see the 6 inclusions of our stock market subscription service. You will get an online stock access to our online stock market course. That's number 1. Number 2, you will get a daily report with 10 trade ideas for short-term trading if you'd like to do short-term trading. Number 3, you will get an access to our investment guide for long-term investing. We monitor all 30 blue chip companies. We will tell you which ones get a buy signal confirmation and at which price range it is most logical for you to buy when there's a buy signal confirmation. Number 4, you will get an access to our private clients forum. This is where you can ask questions and request for our latest analysis of any stock. Number 5, you will be eligible to our Learn to Earn affiliate program. This is where you can submit your analysis so that I can check it. If it's on par with what I taught you in the online stock market course, I'm going to ask you if you'd like us to publish it on our websites. If you concur, then we're going to publish it with your picture, byline, and with your affiliate link. When someone subscribes to us through your affiliate link, you will get a 20% commission. Last but not the least, you will get a free online stockbrokers account and free access to FirstMetroSec PRO, the most advanced online stock trading platform in the Philippines today by FirstMetro Securities. And then you will also be able to read our testimonials and together with the payment options. Okay, and I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce to you what you should not miss. The first ever online stock market library in the Philippines. This is the first. Okay, by Equilyst Analytics, and what this is for free, by the way. What do you get? In our library, you can read our news articles related to the stock market. We write our own. We don't copy and paste somebody else's news articles. Okay? Then you can also read our analysis. You can listen to our podcasts. You can watch our videos. You can use our calculators. You can use our word bank, our dictionary, and more. Now, if you will scroll a little bit to the bottom, on the footer section of our website, you will see the sign-up form to our newsletter. I would recommend that you also register or sign up to our newsletter so that you will receive an email notification when we publish a new episode like this one. Plus, if you are, I would recommend also to follow us on our social media accounts. So go to the description box down below. If you're watching this on YouTube or listening to this on SoundCloud, there are links to our social media accounts on the description box below. This way, when we publish a new episode, you will also be alerted through your favorite social media account. Alright, so I hope you've learned something useful from this EquiTalks episode number 132. And if you have follow-up questions, feel free to comment down below. Again, this is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. Invest independently, trade tactically.